healthcare is incredibly personal for me. When my wife, Gabby Giffords, was shot in 2011, she suffered a serious traumatic brain injury. And I'll never forget being in that ICU room for the very first time and seeing her and looking down and wondering what this means for us. What does this mean for her? What does this mean for our family? Now, fortunately, she had good health insurance. And that's not true for every American, especially lately with folks losing their jobs, and healthcare costs too much. Premiums, deductibles, copays, prescription medication. These are the issues that Arizonans care about and should be working on. So a public option to compete with private insurance on the healthcare exchanges when there are only one option makes a lot of sense. And individuals would potentially pay for that insurance. That's a public option. I think we should also allow folks to buy into Medicare at a certain age, say 50 to 65 years old. That makes a lot of sense. You could remove them from the risk pool. And then we have to address this issue of pre-existing conditions. Senator McSally has voted 4 times. And I often wonder to myself, why is that? Well, Senator McSally takes a lot of corporate PAC money from the health insurance industry and from big pharmaceutical companies. So there's not a lot of desire to make changes in our healthcare system that'll help Arizonans when you're doing something that is not helping those corporations.